Did you know that beetroot juice can enhance athletic performance by up to 25%? That's right. With their rich, earthy flavor and attractive red color, beetroots have been enjoyed for centuries for more than just their taste. Whether you want to improve your athletic performance or your overall heart health, beetroot juice deserves a special place in your daily routine. So in this video, let's learn about some of the very tempting reasons to drink beetroot juice daily. Let's begin. Number 1. It can help improve your heart health. Beetroot juice can do wonders for your heart health as it is packed with many heart-friendly compounds. For example, it is rich in nitrates, which help in lowering your blood pressure and improving the blood flow. When you drink beetroot juice, these nitrates get converted into nitric oxide, which helps in relaxing and dilating blood vessels. This not only helps lower your blood pressure, but also reduces the workload on your heart. As a result, your heart can pump blood more efficiently. In fact, a 2013 study published in the American Heart Association's journal Hypertension suggested that beetroot juice can lower blood pressure within just a few hours. So it cannot just reduce your risk of developing heart attacks and strokes, but also helps ensure that all your organs receive proper nutrition and oxygen from the blood. Number 2. It helps improve your cognitive function. As mentioned before, beetroot juice helps your body make nitric oxide. And studies show that nitric oxide has the potential to enhance neural activity and improve neural connectivity. In simple words, nitric oxide helps your brain think fast and make decisions faster. Plus, nitric oxide helps improve blood flow to your brain, which further helps to improve the overall health of your brain. Another very common thing that can potentially damage your nerve cells is free radicals and oxidative stress. Studies show that oxidative stress and inflammation due to free radical damage are linked to age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. But the good news is that beetroot juice is a good source of many antioxidants, especially betalains and polyphenols. These compounds fight against oxidative stress and inflammation in your body, reducing your risk of developing age-related cognitive decline. So when you drink beetroot juice regularly, you are more likely to have a better memory, make decisions quickly, perform other cognitive tasks more efficiently, and be well protected from neurodegenerative conditions. Number 3. It can boost your athletic performance. As you know, beetroot contains nitrates, and our body converts them into nitric oxide, which helps dilate your blood vessels. This helps ensure that your muscles get enough oxygen and nutrients while you exercise and reduces your chances of getting tired too soon. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that beetroot juice consumption increased running time to exhaustion by up to 25% in cyclists. So if you are a sports guy and you want to increase your stamina, beetroot juice can be miraculously beneficial for you. To maximize the potential performance benefits of beetroot juice, drink beetroot juice 2 to 3 hours before exercise. Number 4. It's a good source of many antioxidants. Simply speaking, free radicals can potentially damage the cells and tissues in your body and increase your risk of developing many chronic and age-related diseases like hypertension, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, neurodegenerative diseases, arthritis, and several others. Luckily, beetroots are packed with many antioxidants that can neutralize those free radicals and reduce your risk of getting chronic diseases. For example, beetroots contain vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system strong and fights against inflammation. This can reduce your risk of getting sick in the first place. Beetroots also contain betalains, which give beets their vibrant red color. These compounds have been studied for their potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, so they can effectively improve your body's defense against free radicals and even help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Number 5. Beetroot juice can help improve your digestive health. Beetroot contains a compound called betaine. This compound has been shown to stimulate the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. HCl is essential for proper digestion, as it helps break down proteins and activates enzymes that aid in nutrient absorption. Betaine has also been shown to stimulate the production of bile acids in the liver. Bile acids emulsify fats, making them easier to digest and absorb in the small intestine. So drinking beetroot juice daily helps ensure that your stomach can digest food efficiently. Not just that, Betaine has also been studied for its potential to enhance bowel movements. It can enhance the contractions of the digestive tract, promoting smooth movement of food through your intestines. This can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in your gut, preventing indigestion, IBS, or IBD. Number 6. It can improve your eye health. Did you know that 1 glass, or 250 milliliters of beetroot juice, contains approximately 23,000 international units of vitamin A, which is equivalent to 460% of the daily value for vitamin A. This makes beetroot juice an excellent source of vitamin A. Now, vitamin A is a crucial nutrient for maintaining eye health. It plays a vital role in the formation and function of rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment found in the retina, which is essential for night vision. In fact, vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness, a condition in which you may find it difficult to see in low-light conditions. In addition to its role in night vision, vitamin A also helps to maintain a healthy cornea, the clear front surface of the eye. It helps protect the cornea from infections and helps maintain moisture in your eyes. Not just that, adequate vitamin A intake can also reduce your risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, which is a very common cause of vision loss in older adults. Number 7. It has anti-cancer properties. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry investigated the effects of beetroot juice extract on colon cancer cells. The study found that beetroot juice extract significantly inhibited the growth of colon cancer cells in lab studies. Another study shows that beetroot juice can enhance the immune system's ability to fight against cancer cells. The study found that beetroot juice consumption increased the production of natural killer cells, a special type of immune cell that plays a crucial role in eliminating cancer cells. Some other studies have also demonstrated beetroot's potential against breast cancer and liver cancer. In fact, some studies also showed that beetroot juice can lower the severity of side effects related to chemotherapy and can enhance cancer patients' overall quality of life. Experts say that these anti-cancer properties of beetroot juice could mainly be due to antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds present in beetroot, particularly vitamin C, betalains, and nitrates. Number 8. It can help improve your skin health. Pollutants and free radicals can potentially damage your skin cells and accelerate skin aging. But antioxidants in beetroot juice neutralize these free radicals, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Even better, beetroot is a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen production, which provides skin with its structure and elasticity. Additionally, beetroot contains vitamin B folate, which helps your body make new skin cells and repair the damaged ones. Betalains in beetroots also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce skin inflammation and irritation. This can be particularly effective against skin conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea. Lastly, beetroot has also been shown to support the body's natural detoxification processes. It helps your body remove harmful chemicals and toxins, promoting clear, blemish-free skin. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.